Good morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show.
Today is Monday, October 5th, 2020.
Please stand for the pledges of the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Today's National Do Something Nice Day. Here's a quote to honor the day. Real generosity is doing something nice for someone who will never find out. Frank A. Clark.
To celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month, today we'll be honoring Congresswoman Alexandra Ocasio-Cortez. Alexandra Ocasio-Cortez was born on October 13, 1989 in New York City. She grew up in the Puerto Rican neighborhood of the Bronx. AOC, as she was known, earned a degree from Boston University. In 2018, she won the congressional seat for the 14th district in New York. She became the youngest woman to serve in the U.S. Congress. She was 29 years old.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, we will have sunny skies with a high of 79 and a low of 57.
Today in history, in 1947, Harry Truman makes the first presidential address televised from the White House.
Now for the joke of the day. Matthew, what's the fastest way to ruin a knock-knock joke?
I don't know.
It's open! Here's a message from Miss Hamilton.
Do you have a family member who served in the military? Honor your veteran this year by submitting either a photo or a video to Miss Hamilton for the Veterans Day video. Submissions are due Monday, November 2nd. Be sure to ask Miss Hamilton for more details.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Joseph.
And I'm Matthew.
Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum.